I've been waiting half a day for this.
This is the Dad Delivers vlog. Hello,
I'm Joe.
And I'm Neil. And this is great, isn't it? I think this works. You want to see this, right? Shall I hold it up to the camera? This is the Google Nest Wi-Fi mesh. Now, you've been waiting a long time for this, haven't you?
6 hours.
6 hours. So we're going to unbox this and we're going to show you all the bits and show you what comes in the box. Do you want me to get a knife?
My dad's poor. Even though we've got a nice kitchen, he's poor. He works really hard on these videos.
I got the knife, but we don't need it now because I think you've done a great job.
I pre-opened it there, so I can just...
Now, our Wi-Fi is terrible. It's Virgin Media, and they gave us this box. Look, this is what our current Wi-Fi router looks like, and it's just always on the floor.
If you stuck paper to it, it looks like a PlayStation 5. Oh wow, this is...
Everyone moans at me about, Dad, the Wi-Fi is rubbish. Like I'm some kind of IT guy. But I was hoping to solve it with this. This is what comes out of the box. Go to the second layer, like a box of chocolates. Look, there's a let's get started.
Whoa!
Documentation.
It's a power cable. It's just like the Nest Mini. Beautiful. I absolutely love it.
And you get three of them. You get 3 of them in the box. This is obviously the UK edition.
It's cheaper as well.
There's another layer in the box. It's got this world kind of icon. Oh!
I saw a video, so I know what comes with it.
Oh, it's a world logo because it means it's the internet. It's the World Wide Web logo.
No one calls it that.
No, no, I'm showing my age. You know, I lived in a time when we didn't have the internet. Isn't that crazy?
No.
Shall I show you what's inside the Nest? Yeah. Now, they all look identical. I thought there would be like some kind of master Nest and then 2 other nests, but they all look identical. Oh, do you know what? I've just shown the password underneath. Let me cover up the password.
You have to blur it
and show you. Yeah, I'll blur it out. But look.
This is how hard my
the
dad has
ports
to work
underneath.
on editing.
And look at this, right? So we're in the UK, so we have the fattest plugs in the world.
I saw Americans had USB-C.
Oh, they did, right?
Yeah.
So we've got
This.
This is what the power cable looks like.
We got a circle.
On screen now is how much we bought these for in the UK on a Black Friday sale, and this is what it looks like in the States right now at the time of recording. That's how much the Google Wi-Fi Nest costs. Should we plug one in? Let's plug it in. So this is going to be our master. Oh, it's gone blue. Look.
Yeah, I remember it goes blue. You can adjust the brightness on this as well.
Should we hold it up to the camera?
It's a dark blue. It's light and then it just gets dark like my soul. I mean my dad's soul.
My dad's whole?
Soul.
Well, these look great. So what happens now? Well, let's have a look at the get started leaflets. This is the trouble with the unboxing. We've got to
do the right things first.
So so the instructions are plug a power adapter into any included point and wall sockets, connect the point to your modem with Ethernet cable. Then it says get the Google Home app, and then it says set up your devices, tap plus in the Google Home app to add the point.
Oh, I don't know.
Follow on-screen steps to add the other points and finish setup. And it says set up device. Do you reckon that's that one? Let's go set up device. Set up a new device. Turn on Bluetooth. Google Wi-Fi found. Would you like to set up this device? Yes. Camera permission. Allow. So next we need to scan the QR code. So I will scan that here. Connecting. Look at that, Joe. Check WAN connection. Oh, right. Now, so I've not plugged this into the Ethernet. Oh, connected.
Yeah, totally.
Look, connected. Where is this device?
Family room.
Create a Wi-Fi name. What should we call it? Tharg. Should I call it Tharg? Create a Wi-Fi password. Turn on Nest Wi-Fi cloud services. I don't know what that means. Creating your Wi-Fi network. That was quick. Setting up multiple devices. It looks as though you have a 3-pack. It knows. How does it know? Place your Wi-Fi points. If you want a Google Nest Wi-Fi mesh router like this one, the link is in the description below. And thank you for using that. Cool. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can take us one step closer, thank you for being awesome.
Oh, it turned blue.
And right here is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?